Let's go upstairs. Follow me. Oh! Be careful. The ceiling is very low here.
It's a very old house.
Yes. The house is 300 years old. My family lived here for nearly 80 years. There are 6 bedrooms. This was my father's bedroom.
Is there central heating in the house?
Yes, there is. Why do you ask? Are you cold?
Yes, it's very cold in here.
That's because we're from California.
Let's go and see the other bedrooms.
Yes, of course. Well, what do you think, Kim? I love it, don't you?
I'm not sure. There's something about the house I don't like.
Kim, it's perfect for the kids. Think of the garden. And it's a real authentic English country house. What do you say?
I suppose so. If you're sure.
I am sure. Mrs. Barbara, we want to rent the house.
Excellent.
When can we move in?
As soon as you like.